Good morning. Here we are a week later. Me and JJ gonna go for a ride out by the big marsh. It's been gorgeous spring weather, as you can see. Most of the, well, maybe you can't with my fogged up windows. That'll get better. Most of the snowpack is gone. It's mainly in the road ditches. Sun's gonna rise here in about 10 minutes. So I flew the drone around a little when I got off work yesterday. Decided I'd try that follow me mode. So I left it hovering. I got in the car and I told it to follow me, and it started following me. I should have been up higher. Had the camera pointed down a little more. But I only went an eighth of a mile. I was going to turn around and review how it went. And I thought, where's that drone? There it was in tree branches, sounding like a weed eater. No damage. I managed to get it out of the tree because it was fighting it. Landed it. Got a little muddy because I got underneath the branches and I couldn't fly back out. The wind was gusting in. There are quite a few geese flying around. You can hear them. But the marsh is really low. Might be good. If there's a bunch of them migrating, they're going to be competing for the open water. They'll concentrate more in specific areas. was hoping for the big schools of snow geese. Apparently they either haven't moved this far north yet, or they're taking a different route. Yeah, I started watching a lot of this overlanding vlogs and shows on YouTube. It kind of put the bug in me to go out and do my own style. Well, they cut down a lot of trees in here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now, I won't get into the extreme 4x4 rock climbing. But I will be doing a lot of gravel travel in the Dakotas. Very pretty sunrise. Yeah, just a little more gravel travel. Gravel travel morning. And I know I'll go back sometime here this morning. I'll probably fly the drone. Maybe in the afternoon too. Took it out at sunset. Not real good on low light. You know, it was right around the time the sun was going down. I like it on the daytime. Well, yeah, thanks for coming along on this ride along with me. I'm only about 2 miles from home. Nothing really exciting. I took a few images. I'll post the ones that I enjoyed the most. And maybe next weekend we'll have a little more waterfowl movement. Missed a lot of it last year too. Just didn't seem to come through. hoping this year will be a little different. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.